all your fears, all your fouls, or all your faults come at the moment when your inner anger take over and you have absolutely no control. There are two ways man can be judged: when he is in love or he is in angry mood. Then what speaks a pure fire. You know, fire purifies everything. So in our life there's a non-saving grace that we burst out. Do you know that when you are in anger and you are insecure and you yell and scream, that takes away from you your need to be friendly. And it put another person in a state of scare. You know what happens? Communication breaks. And you all have memories. I know of a person, her mother said, "You are no good." I have never met a more wisest person in my life than her. No good. The no good comes first. Good has never shown. You are looking for something where your past is not repeated. In a man, in a woman. So you live in the agony of your parents' past and your own past. How anybody can promise you future? You cannot guarantee your own future. You do not have tolerance, patience, discipline to calm down yourself. Give yourself a chance. The only way to conquer the inner anger and burn it out is simple. Why to kill your future, your relationship, be indifferent with your loved one, not have a grace and respect? Why can't you not do this exercise every day? In 40 days it will change your personality from A to Z. Granted. Everybody has plus and minus. Simply you use it properly, that's called life. If you keep on using negative, that will make you negative. If you use on positive, people tell you are spaced out. No, it's not. It is. People want everything in the middle. It's true what I'm telling you. Life is neither positive nor negative. Why life is either complementary or indifferent. Complementary and indifferent, an inner personality fulcrum, and in which your pendulum of life moves, and how your thoughts create the effect on self. Ideally, my feeling is if the woman is wise, the whole surrounding becomes wise. Because the base of society is not based on man, it is based on woman. It is her tolerance, her grace, her width, her power to observe, her power to stay, that bring result. May your prayer become your consciousness. May your consciousness make you universal. May you understand your creature, creator, and consciousness in the trio of three, live in happiness. May you understand life is a gift, and you must accelerate this gift to make you happy, healthy, holy, loving, compassionate, kind, and blissful. Those who are not grateful will never be blissful. Those who are grateful always become great and full of wealth and prosperity. May that be your path.